And thus goes the repairs to the back frame section so that we can extremely strengthen it to handle the unbelievable horsepower, torque, and most importantly, the weight of the batteries. It looks pretty good there, Alan.
You got one of the big tack down?
Wow. Did it blow through?
Nope.
Dude, look at that. And you've never welded before today.
Just picked it up today.
Nice work, man. That looks awesome. All right, so the strengthening of the rear frame section for the rear end and the shocks continues. So we're going crazy, right? This metal here was the original thickness of the shock mounts that were here, and the whole section. So now we're replacing this with 1/4 inch steel. So we're doing a steel piece that follows this curve here to give it plenty of strength and rigidity, plating it underneath, and then we're doing the same thing on the inside where the new shock braces will go. And so to give you an example of the shock braces, this was the pieces here. As you can see, they were actually ripping loose. This has been hammered and shaped so we can get good measurements off of, but it was much worse than this. And so this will be replaced with something along the lines of this. This isn't going anywhere. And this will be welded in very well. So, pretty excited about this. I think that the issues with the coilovers will cease and desist with this. All right, so the 1/4 inch plating has all been welded in at all points. Some of the welds smoothed out. And this side's ready for a bracket. This side already has one. And as you can see here, this bracket, as soon as the light comes in, is much stronger, being a full 1/4 inch plate all around, welded top, bottom, and inside. These coilovers aren't going anywhere, and nor will we ever have a problem with it punching through the frame again. Anyway, coming along nicely. All right, all the welding's done, everything's in place, brackets are in. We've done the primering and the chassis black painting, so it's all nice. And as you can see here, this bracket is going to be amazingly strong, and these 4 holes, I'm sure someone's going to ask, those are for the power leads. We've decided to double the positives and double the negatives of the long cables that run all the way up front to the controllers and the motors. So we're ready to put the rear end in, and I'll cover that in a different section.